Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have had lots and lots and lots of emails, that should be Gmails, from people all around the world asking what am I going to be doing for Halloween this year. Well, I've got some great ideas and they are so quick and easy, and this one I think is going to be the one that I have at my front door so that when the children come they are delighted with something that is visually interesting. So I've got just a lovely ceramic black container, black because I thought that black of the night would be the greatest way forward. I've got some of this beautiful grass that I'm going to use. I've got some old man's bed. This is all that I've got left. There was a wee disaster and the jar that was underneath us had a fall and it cracked and broke all over the place, and I thought, but we can still use this. I've got a little bit of artificial grass here. I've got these lovely chocolatey lollies or sweets or candy that I thought would be quite nice. Plus, for the children that do not want to be having lollies, I've got some lovely mandarins. So into the cavity of the container, I have put some foam. Any kind of foam will do. Even if you've got any old bits lying around, just shove those into it because we only want the foam to come like at least 1.5 inches from the top of the rim to go down, because the first thing we're going to do is to put in a little bit of grass, which I'll put towards the back of my container like so. Then I'm going to put the little bit of grass over the top. You're probably thinking, why is she doing that? But it will all come to fruition very soon. I'm going to then put that into there, plus with this old man's bed or this Tillanzia stuff, I'm just going to bring that around there and just put a little bit of a join in the back of that so that hangs down and looks all sort of like rough and ready. On top of the grass, I'm now going to just place all of those sweets so that when the kids look at it, they'll see the sweets coming up. And the reason I've used those colours is to match them with my little wee, I don't know whether that's a witch that's gone green or what it is, but it was quite nice. And then to finish the whole thing off, what I'm going to do is put it onto this board at my front because it's not quite so straight, and because I don't want this to fall, and I'm going to put that there. And then for those who don't want to be eating sweets, I'll just put a few mandarins around the base. Oops, I need to push that over a bit. How's that for quick and easy Halloween in a flash? Happy Halloween everyone, and I'll see you again another day.